Alexa, what is the big toe?
According to Wikipedia, toes are the digits of the foot of a tetrapod. Animal species such as cats that walk on their toes are described as being digitigrade. Humans, and other animals that walk on the soles of their feet, are described as being plantigrade. Ungulligrade animals are those that walk on hooves at the tips of their toes.
Well, that could have gotten better. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to draw Xeno Bardock from Dragon Ball Heroes. I know what you're thinking. You already saw me draw a picture of Bardock, but you haven't seen me draw him like this. Xeno Bardock is basically Goku's father, and it was sent back in time by Korona, the Supreme Kind of Time, or I think his name was Corona, in no relation to the coronavirus. And basically, he's like Bardock. He's like Goku, except he's wearing some kind of control mask that drives people evil. But I don't know what the masks are for. They were created by Machikabara a while back. But if you guys don't remember that episode, Xeno Trunks and Xeno Vegito managed to defeat the evil Machikabara. And Machikabara, we all know he's gone for now, but will he ever return? We don't know that for sure. It's like Machikabara's plan was to create his own universe under Fu's behalf. I wonder if Fu is just hostile and misguided. I wonder if he'll fall in love with the Supreme Kai of Time. Maybe they'll have kids together. If Fu ever changes his evil ways, he'll know he's hostile and misguided. I know many years will pass by the next time we see him, but only the future knows. We'll have to find out a few episodes later after the Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang mission ends. Anyways, let's continue drawing this Xeno Bardock. There we go. There's his head. I feel like the eyes should be bigger. And the same goes for the control mask. There we go. There we go. Be sure to draw his hair exactly like Goku's. There we go. And... there's his hair. Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark DeGroot on Amazon.
Next up, we just draw the tubes here. I don't know when we're gonna see Xeno Bardock again. We'll find out soon. We always do. He looks like a slave in this picture. But, believe me, the mighty Bardock is no slave. Gine would be proud of him. And their son, Kakarot. And to their merit, and I give them their blessing onto their marriage. With a slam, 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 start the battle in a jam, jam, jam. The final hit is a bam, bam, bam. This heartbeat pounds. There we go. Alexa plays Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission. Alexa plays Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme.
Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Mira Jam.
Yeah.
On Amazon Music.
Am I on camera?
Yeah. Okay, sorry about that, folks. Anyways, here's his arm. And done. That's how you draw Xeno Bardock. That is how Xeno Bardock should look like. I know that Android 17 will have a... I know that Android 17 will have to wear a control mask one of these days. I know, because I saw him in one of the episodes. If you're not familiar with episode 117, 27, then you guys should know that episode 127 of Super Dragon Ball Heroes is the final part where we get to see Goku and Vegeta fight off against Fu, and I saw them transform into Vegito. And Fu would have the Evil Saiyan's power, you know, the Evil Saiyan Cumber, the guy that I talked about in previous videos, the guy who looks like Raditz. Anyways, I know you guys are hungry for Dragon Ball Heroes to be revealed in Dragon Ball Super. I know you're hungry for the next episode of Dragon Ball Heroes, but till then we'll have to be aware for the next episode of Dragon Ball Heroes to appear for the next month, because every month, because there's gonna be a new episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes. That's basically one of my favorites about the show. I kind of missed Dragon Ball Super being in the show, but I definitely don't miss Dragon Ball GT. I mean, that's when the show ends. And the only reason they brought back Super Saiyan 4 is because they want to include that into Dragon Ball Super. Like it should have in the original Dragon Ball Super, Dragon Ball Heroes thing. Anyways, so that's how you draw Xeno Bardock, and I'll see you guys again in the future. Adios, amigos. Farewell.